Welcome! In this tutorial, we're diving into the Syncfusion Code Studio IDE. If you're a developer looking to integrate powerful AI into your workflow, you're in the right place. Code Studio provides everything your team needs to adopt AI-powered coding and dramatically boost your productivity. In this video, I will show you how to build a fully functional JavaScript weather app in just seconds using Code Studio. So, you'll learn the steps to install Code Studio and connect it to your enterprise server. Configure powerful AI models like GPT and Claude using your own LLM keys. Leverage Code Studio's AI assist modes to plan, generate, and refine your application code with incredible speed. From the Code Studio homepage, just click the Get Started Now button. It'll take you straight to app.sfcodestudio.com. You can sign in using three options: Microsoft, GitHub, or Syncfusion accounts. If you already have an account, you can sign in. If not, complete the quick sign-up process and then log in. Look here, the enterprise server page is now open. Here, you will find the option to download the Code Studio IDE, available for both Windows and Mac. Simply click the Download Code Editor button based on your operating system. Once the setup file is downloaded, install it to get started. Now, launch the Code Studio IDE. To connect it to your account, click the account icon in the top right corner and complete the sign-in process via the browser window. Once signed in, your workspace is connected to the enterprise server. As the next step, I'll explain how to set up large language models, LLMs. So, let me head back to the enterprise server page to manage the models and keys. An LLM is an AI that can generate human-like text and code. And Code Studio supports different providers like OpenAI, Anthropic, and OpenRouter. To add a key, click Add LLM Key. In the pop-up, select your provider, paste your API key, and click Add. Since I have already configured this provider, I am skipping this step. Your key will be stored securely with encryption. Next, let's add a specific model. Click Add Model, select a provider, and choose from the available models. Now, I'm going to add Gemini 2.5 Flashlight. As the required model is already registered, I am skipping this step as well. Once added, you'll see it appear instantly on the enterprise server page and become available right inside the Code Studio IDE. After completing the configuration step, the next phase is building the weather app. Before proceeding, it's important to understand the AI assist modes available in Code Studio IDE. These include Chat Mode, which allows asking questions and receiving coding help. Edit Mode, which enables quick code changes using prompts. And Agent Mode, which automatically generates parts of the application. All three modes will be used to build the dashboard efficiently. Now, I'll start with Chat Mode to create a plan for weather app creation. So, let me update the question as, I want to build a small JavaScript app that fetches current weather data using the API and displays it on a web page. Look here, the chat gives us a clear plan, breaking a complex task into simple, manageable actions. Next, I'll proceed to get the code structure to build the dashboard. To do that, I'll switch to Agent Mode, which can generate an entire application based on a prompt. It uses built-in tools to read, create, and modify files, taking full responsibility for the initial development work automatically. Based on the weather app code generated in Chat Mode, I will now provide a detailed prompt in Agent Mode, specifying the folder structure, functionality, and UI requirements. It processes the request and creates the necessary files for the weather app. Check now. It creates the necessary HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files for the dashboard. Once the process is complete, I'll run the application. And there it is, a fully responsive weather app, built in seconds. Suppose I want to enhance the weather app by adding descriptive weather conditions and corresponding icons. In such cases, I'll use Edit Mode to make precise changes. Edit Mode allows you to apply changes to a specific block of code. It suggests the changes. Once you're satisfied, click Accept All to apply the changes directly into your file. See, the changes are now reflected. Next, let's fine-tune the styling for the weather app. This is where the Autocomplete feature comes in. First, let me enable Autocomplete mode and select a model like Gemini 2.5 Flashlight. Here, intelligent code snippets are suggested in real time, making the editing process faster, smoother, and more efficient. So, let's recap what I've explained in the video. You've seen how to install and configure Code Studio, connecting the AI models using API keys. Then, you saw how to use Chat Mode to plan the application, Agent Mode to generate the entire code base, and Edit Mode with Autocomplete to refine it with precision. Most importantly, you saw how to build a weather application in just minutes. For a step-by-step walkthrough on setting up the enterprise server, refer to the Getting Started video linked in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.